Hello guys, welcome to the 75 days hard work challenge. We'll be solving here the DSA questions daily from LeetCode or any coding platform, and we'll be make some projects in the skills basics on, let's say, machine learning in Python, let's say Django in backend, let's say web dev from Node.js CSS. So I'll be solving that, and basically we'll be solving everything with consistently. So the first thing that I've got, that is an easy question from linked list, that is reverse of a linked list. The concept is very simple. There is a You'll be giving a head of the single linked list. Single linked list means there will be only one pointer that will be pointing to the next of the node, and you have to reverse the linked list and return to the reverse linked list. So the basic thing will be the brute force approach. What will be the brute force approach? Let us consider this link. So what will be the brute force approach? There will be one node, you have given this head. I'll be increase the thickness. Let's say you will be giving address of only this, and you have to make this like this. So I'll be solving here using not brute force, because brute force is very easy, and you know that the time complexity of brute force is much higher. That will be approximate. There will be a nested loop, or there will be one or more loops, so the time complexity must be big of n square. So we'll be, for reducing the time complexity, we'll be using tortoiseshell approach. What is tortoiseshell approach? We'll be using three pointers. There will be one pointers, two pointers, and one pointer for iteration, let's say. So the basic concept is, in this main linked list, let's say this is original linked list, let's say original, this is original linked list, and this is the reversed one. So in the original linked list, the last node should be null, and the concept is what? The node that was null, the node of next that was null in the original one, that has been converted to the head in the reverse one. So the head of the original one has become the tail, let's say tail, that will be pointing to the null. So basic concept is, I'll be making three pointers here. One pointer will be in head, one pointer should be in tail or not tail, that will point to the null basically, and one pointer that should iterate simultaneously time when, or rather the condition justifies or satisfies, let's say satisfies. So now we'll be doing what? We'll be making three pointers. One is, let's say, previous. Let's say we'll be making this as previous. We'll be making this as current. I mean, the current should be point to the head, the previous should point to the null. That is very simple. And we'll be making one next. I'll be not taking much serious of the next will iterate when the condition satisfies. That will result in the previous declaration point of view. So now the thing is, there will be conditions. Let's say there will be conditions. I don't care about the condition. What will be the base of the node? The base of the node is very simple. I have to declare the next. Let's say next. I have to declare the next. What will be the next value? The next value would be current of next. What should be the value of current of next? This is current. This is current of next. This is current of next. So next should be current of next. That means what? The current of next value had been converted in next, because in CCPP there should be this type of approach. So this value will convert in next. So I had saved the value of next. So I can face the next value in any time. Now I'll do what? I will make my previous. This is my previous. I mean the null. I mean I will setting the previous value to current of next. I think that will make a sense here. What will make a sense? This current of next should point to the no null. I mean I have making this. I think that is very clear to everyone. I have said this is my current here. One is my current, and I am setting these to null. I am setting C next. What is the value of previous? In this time, the value of previous is null, and I am setting this null address to the current of next. This is my current. Let's say this is my current of next, and I am setting this value to null. So I am making these, and I will be doing what? I will be doing this current. I have this current. I will be making this current. I will be not say making. I'll be make this current as my head. Not head here. Here I am making this current. So I am doing what? I'll doing what? I will make this previous. Previous is my head. In this, previous is my head. In the reverse zone, previous is my head. So I am doing previous equals to, let's say, current. I think that will make a sense, and that is very easy. And now I'll do what? I'll literally make the next to the value of next to current. I think that is very simple. I don't have not to understand this. That is very simple. And I will return what I will return. That is very simple. I know you will understand it. For traversal of this original one, I need head. I need head, the value of head. But for traversal this one, I need the value of previous. So I'll return the previous. So let's write the code on the lead code. I know writing the code on LeetCode is a very, very tough sin because you can make so many syntaxes error and that will give an error. So be careful while solving this. So I'll do what? First I'll make struct list node, because here you can see list node has been given. So struct list node of, let's say, current. Current will be what? Current will point to the head. Very simple. And struct list node, let's say, prev, that will point to null. The point is null. And struct, let's say, list node next. I'll not do with the next, I'll do next inside of the function. So I'll make a while loop. I don't care about the condition, I'll do the conditions later on. So the first thing is I'll save the next, because I'll be very clear forward of saving the next. I'll be doing what? Say next equals to current of next. That is very simple. Next should be the value of current of next. I'm saving this value here. I don't do anything. Now the second thing is current next. I am doing the current next. I am doing this current next to the value of what? To the value of what? To the value of previous. Where is my? Yes. To the value of previous. Don't remember anything. Don't remember the syntax. Just remember the picture here. Just remember the picture. Now the current. This value of the current has been converted in what? In previous. Oops. You can see here. This value of the current. This is my current. This is converted in previous. This is converted in previous. This is converted in previous here. That is very simple here. And that will iterate simultaneously time. This is my previous at that point. After that, next iteration, this is my previous. 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 And we have got this as null. So we'll return this. I think that is very clear, and that is very easy forward and straightforward thing. So the current will be equal to next, and that is very simple. And after that, I'll do what? I'll do a little single thing. I'll return the previous. I have said why I'm taking previous. I'll do what? I'll do here, make current is not equal to null. That is very simple. I think that is very simple, and let's wish for it may done. Yes, it is accepted. You can say this is accepted and I'll submit it. I had submitted it before. I had submitted it using brute force, but you can see that it beats 29.85 users of using C. So let's comment out how the approach was, and if there are any other approach that you had done to optimize the time complexity, you can comment out. Okay, goodbye. See you in another video. So not another video, see you in the next video, next day video. Goodbye.